How to buy cryptocurrency on Phemex app. In order to buy crypto on Phemex, it's rather quite simple for us to do so. What we have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch the Phemex app, and this is the type of interface that you'll be able to see. Then what you have to do from there is you have to simply go ahead and then make sure to tap on this little option here, and here you can simply choose the cryptocurrency you wish to buy. So you can see many ones that you might have added there. So let's say I want to buy ETH, which is Ethereum. I can tap on Ethereum, then I can tap on the buy button. Then here I can simply enter the amount in USDT as to how much worth of Ethereum I want to buy, and once done I can tap on the buy Ethereum button to buy Ethereum or any of the other form of cryptocurrency on Phemex. So I hope the video helps you out, and if you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comments below. As always, thank you for watching till the very end of the tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.